Hey, coming live from Mexico. We are on a hike with all the roamers and a bunch of strangers and a bunch of dogs. Come along for our adventure, possibly for just the hike, but also possibly for the boat tour. Hello, pups.
I'm not a dog person.
You're not? Oh. Introduce yourself and say what you're doing.
Hola.
Hola.
Enrique.
Enrique.
I'm a hiker.
A hiker. A hiker with who? Who's in your company? All these people.
Natural de energía, toda esta energía atrapada en el cerro está tratando de escapar y escapa a través de agujeros, cuartadura, como ventana a través de la cual pasan energías.
Made it to the top! Mexico! Angelo,
So pretty.
introduce yourself. Say a fun fact.
Hi. I like long walks on the beach.
Oh, and it's your birthday!
I was gonna die.
Anna, introduce yourself. I mean Alex Earl. Brown-headed Alex Earl, introduce yourself.
I'm Anna.
I'm Anna.
I'm scared of heights.
Oh shit. Okay, Annie.
I'm Annie.
Fun fact.
I don't even know.
Oh.
I like hiking, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, okay. Abby.
I'm Abby. I miss my dog.
Oh. Sadie.
Hey, I'm Sadie.
Hey.
Fun fact, my name's Mercedes.
Oh, sick. That's a really fun fact. Taylor, what about you?
Taylor, and Abby stole my bed, so it's my mom.
Oh. What's behind? Oh, other Taylor. Fun fact. Here we are. First time in Mexico. Mexico! And look at this view.
So pretty.
Alright, we made it to the other side. So cool. Lauren, get in my vlog! Hi! We're on a boat, and I have been getting very motion sick, so I haven't posted anything. But we have found like calmer water, and it's so fun. Hey! Say hi to mine, Tori. Hi! Hi friends, we are back. Mercedes here. Except we're not taking photos with her because we look bad when we take photos with her. She's scary! Why are you so scary? But no, we have been on this boat tour for a long time. I've done a really bad job vlogging today, but it's for the men. Look how cute Tim is. With her little bucket hat. Cute!